Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the PIN code or your login code within the 1inch DeFi crypto wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the 1inch DeFi crypto wallet application on your device, and after you are logged in, you will be taken into your wallet page. From here, in order to change your PIN code that you use to log in, just tap on the gear icon at the top right, which will take you into the settings page. From here, tap on security, and now you will see the change passcode button. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will first be asked to enter your current passcode. So type in the passcode that you are currently using, and once you enter it, you will then be allowed to enter your desired new passcode. So type in whichever passcode you wish to set now, and then you will need to enter it once again for confirmation. Once you enter your new password twice, your passcode has now successfully been changed. You can now use this code every time you open up the application. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your passcode on the 1inch wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.